I'm going to quickly explain why index match is so much better than VLookup, and in the process, show you how to easily use the index match. For those of you that just want the quick and easy cheat sheet of where the index bits and match thingies go, jump to this timecode. Here's our data. So, VLookup. You have the item you're searching about. We want to know about Juan. Then you have to select the whole range that contains the items you need. This is the first problem. The Juan column must be the first column on the left in the range. Then you have to count the number of columns to the right that contains the information you want. And there you have your result. For now. For instance, if you try to go left, VLookup can't go left. What are we, Zoolander? If an enthusiastic helper adds a column inside the range like this, well, now Juan's favourite thing is none. Well, that can't be right. And just a quick note, the default match type is to find something that is either the same or less than the searched value, and to get a true match, you need to put false. Improving on this, Excel now has VLookup. If you don't know it, look it up. Pun intended. It's great. But what about us mere Smartsheet mortals? We have index match. It's more flexible and less fragile than VLookup. Here's that cheat sheet I promised earlier. You have the column the answer is in, the value I'm searching with, the column that contains the value that I'm searching with, and a 0, because defaults. So let's build that out. I want to see Juan's favourite thing. So I substitute into the column the answer is in placeholder the favourite thing column, then Juan into the value I'm searching with, and finally the person column contains the value Juan that I'm searching with, and a 0. So what that's saying is, find the row in the person column that matches Juan. That's 2. Now, show me that row, but in the column that I want to know about. And there's your answer. So, let's try and break it. With index match, it doesn't matter if the thing that you're looking for is to the left of what you're searching. It doesn't break. And if I put extra fields in between the search column and the value that I want to find, no problem. It doesn't break. So, it's much more robust. There is more to index match than this, but this is easily the most common need. We've learned match finds the row that you want in the index answer column, and milk is the best formula. If you want more of these top tips, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see.